Hello everybody, I am Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO, Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. I'm going to discuss with you a very important topic today, which is cataract. Cataract in Hindi we call it Moti Bindu, Motia Bind. Okay, this is basically when there is an opacity, meaning something that is blocking your vision from being the best that it should be. It's a natural crystalline lens which is in the eye. With age or because of some medicines or similar, it may become opaque and sort of not transparent anymore. So this blocks light from passing through, and this is called a cataract. It's the most common eye problem, and the treatment of it is highly advanced in today's day and age. It's a daycare procedure. So what happens here is your vision will start dropping, or you may experience unwanted glare, or the lights hitting your eyes when you're driving, or some problem in identifying colors very well. Some of us may have no symptoms only. When we come for a regular eye checkup, we may realize that number set nahi ho raha hai. I'm not able to correct you to see the last lines even with putting adequate numbers. When we do a dilated evaluation after putting drops, when we check you, we figure out and we can assess if there is a cataract and what is the grade of the cataract. In the olden days, we used to wait till the cataract became completely mature, almost to a blinding level, before we opted for surgery. But now, with recent advances, you can go for surgery much sooner. Your surgeon is the best person to help you decide whether you're ready for surgery and whether the cataract is ripe enough at the moment. Okay? So you have to trust your instinct and your surgeon's instincts when they tell you to go in for surgery. Surgery is a painless affair. There is no injection involved. There is no stitch involved mostly. And we remove your cataract and put in, replacing it with another foldable lens, which is made up of a softer material and stays in for life. So if you have been diagnosed with a cataract, don't be shocked. Don't panic. It is going to happen to all of us. Sooner for some, later for some. It's even common in the early 30s and 40s nowadays. Just go, get it corrected, and you'll enjoy spectacle free and good clear vision very soon. Wish you all the best.